All right, guys, so today we are looking at another Bob and Brad mini massage gun this time. This is the Q2 mini massage gun. So we're going to look at their Amazon listing. We're going to check out what comes in the box, and we're kind of going to give it just a first look because, well, it's a massage gun, and there are lots of them out there. So we'll just take a look at what our thoughts are on this one. Okay, so we've actually reviewed or taken a look at more massage guns than I ever thought that we would look at. But Bob and Brad, if you've never looked them up on the YouTube, you should, because they're fairly entertaining. But this is the Q2 mini massage gun here on Amazon. This is Amazon Canada, coming in at about $129. 4.5 stars. It's got almost like 2,300 reviews, so if you're looking for one of these, probably not a bad one to invest in because everybody seems to love it. Pocket-sized partner, sounds kind of funny. New proprietary brushless motor, that's the most compact design ever, and we've done some small ones, but I'm curious to see how small this one is. USB-C charging, which I do like. Deep tissue massage and powerful pain relief on the go, which honestly, this is probably the reason this one interests me the most, because as much as I have a lot of the big ones and even some of the smaller ones, smaller is, in my opinion, better because I just don't need anything huge, at least for me. Maybe if you're big and like an actual athlete, maybe you want that, but not for me. Targets every muscle group. So a lot of info. I will put links to their Amazon listing here, but yeah, that's crazy. 4.5 stars, almost 2,300 reviews at time of filming. This is the box, and I have a knife somewhere. Hold on. There we go. All right, so I'll just kind of take all this stuff out. Nice packaging. They always give you nice packaging, which is really good. QT mini massage gun, pocket-sized partner, quality treatment anytime, anywhere. So quiet you can hardly hear. That's a big one too, because brushless motors, right? Contact us, has your support information, your battery, which is 11.1 volt is your voltage, 2,500 milliamp, and charging time 210 minutes. So you're looking at about 3.5 hours. What's included, detailed, etc., etc. All right, some extra stuff there on this side. Did you see it? What's on there? And let's open it up. I like that it comes in this nice little case. I do. I think that's all right. That's if you're going to be traveling somewhere, this probably a nice little thing to be able to throw in your bag or your suitcase or whatever it is. Bob and Brad, very nice, very nice. Okie dokie, and voila, there you go. So some of it looks like it's fallen out of the spots, but they go in there nice. Like they should stay in. They're snug. You get five attachments and a little tiny massager, deep tissue massager. You do get a little user manual. It's nice and thick though, I'll give it that. These are little gaskets. You guys may be able to see that, little gaskets right there. And those, you can see them, they're on here, right there. So if they wear, because you use one of these more than you use other ones, then you have some replacement ones to put on there. Now, my hope would be that if you wear out those two, that you can order more, possibly. And it comes with a USB-A to USB charger. Now, no power brick in the box at all. So realize you're gonna have to plug this into a laptop, or you're gonna have to have your own power adapter or whatever it is. But yeah, that's pretty small. I'll give that. That's pretty small. And that's pretty nice looking, actually. You know, I have to give them that. The design-wise looks nice. It is ridiculously, I don't know what the word, smooth. Like it feels like super smooth, and it's got this little like hand indent area kind of right there. You guys may be able to see that. You know, different. Yeah, okay. Seems to fit okay. There's your USB charger on the bottom. You also get your, looks like your power button, your battery indicators, that may be battery indicators, but it also may be actual your power indicator, and or maybe up here. It's hard to tell. We'll fire this up in a minute, but there's also some indicators. It looks like up there, possibly, and this is where the heads are going. So I'm going with soft. I think that's soft. I don't like the aggressive ones. So that's just gonna slide. It's good and tight, that's for sure. That's sliding in there. Yes. Okay. Because you know what? Here's the thing I find with like massage guns. Most of them probably do very similar. You know what? Figure out which one has the head that you like. Most of them come with very similar. Some come with more, so if you need specifics, then more is always better. Find one that you are actually going to use. So I like the small ones because the big ones for me, even though they probably are more powerful, I don't need it. So why spend extra on something big like that, which for one is big and bulky. I'm not going to ever carry it anywhere, and it just takes up more space. But you may, again, you make that decision, and find one that seems to have good build quality. Because, you know, if you go to your local Walmart and you're paying $29 for one, that I would be like, yeah, that's not going to last. It's not going to last for sure. It's guaranteed. This, though, it's got a good name now. It's funny because for those that don't know Bob and Brad, I don't believe, for instance, that they are themselves, you know, manufacturing this. They're like, I don't know, chiropractors or something. But they have to be willing to put their name on this. And that's probably a big thing, because if you're promoting your name and it's garbage, that doesn't look good on you. So you want, I would think you'd want some quality behind the product. So this is it here. Again, there's your charger. We're not going to do that. We're just going to turn this on. So I'm guessing this button maybe back here. No. Is there another button? Is there a button? It's got to be that button. It's got to be that button. Oh, there it goes. You just got to hold it. Yeah, that's pretty quiet. I have to say, that's pretty quiet. And I don't know if that's battery. Oh, no. So that's speed. It does have a little blue. You guys may be able to see it there. It's like a blue indicator. And then this is going to be speed. So you just tap it. Yeah, that's definitely one of the quieter ones I've used for sure. Ready? Well, I like that one. And I like that head on there because it's soft, right? So if you're really looking for just like a massage, yeah, that's a good size as far as a little hand massager is going to be. Oh, I like that. That's all right, right? You can get into wherever you need it. And it's, again, the really big ones, like I have one that I swear you need two hands for. Now, I'm sure it's awesome, but you'd want to be like using it possibly to massage someone else. I would never use it on myself. You'd just never be able to hold it. This one, though, yeah, this one's nice. I like this one because you can get a good feel. Good feel. Yeah, this up here, maybe it's just like cooling, like a little fan or something. And then I'm guessing you just hold this to turn off. It's a deep tissue massager. That's what it is. It's from Bob and Brad. Is it good? I like it. Everybody else seems to like it. And I would be confident in the brand. That's probably a big thing. I'd be confident in the brand. Comes with a nice case. It charges with USB-C. Has some good attachments that most of us would probably actually use. Yeah, you know what? I'm down. If you're looking for one of these, it's not crazy expensive. 129 bucks Canadian. I think it's a good deal. All right, guys, I will leave links to their Amazon listing if you're interested in a deep tissue, pocket-sized hand massager. It's not really a hand massager. Deep tissue massage gun. There you go. And that's it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Hit the little notification bell. And I don't think we have any more deep tissue massagers. It's been a while, but nothing anymore. So back to more tech gear tomorrow. All right, my friends. I'm out. Later.